In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Compress 5800 heat pump controls. Select the section with the heating icon. Ensure auto heating is selected. Click more in the bottom left of the screen. Here you can select and edit the temperature settings and also edit the times in the heating program. Select Time Program. Firstly, select temperature settings. You can now select your heating and setback temperature. Remember, too high temps equals higher running costs and low efficiency. To change each temperature, click within and scroll to your desired temperatures. Then select Confirm. Only 2 to 3 degrees difference between daytime heating temp and nighttime setback temp. Press back and edit. Select the day you would like to change the time schedule. Click and select your time bar. Scroll to change the time you wish to start the heating program. Press Save. Select your setback bar. Follow the same process to change the time for your heating to setback. If you want to replicate this time program for other days of the week, press Copy Day and select days of the week you wish to copy it to. Press OK and then press the Home button. These time programs are now set. It's important to allow time to adapt to the schedule and reach the set temperatures. This is the RT800 usually found on the wall within the property, and here's how you can set your heating temperatures. Use the right arrow to navigate to the heating temperature icon. Press OK. Use the down arrow and select Auto Mode. Press OK and press OK again. Press the menu, which are the 3 lines in the top left. Use the down arrow to temperature setting. Here you can select heating or setback temperatures. Press OK to select heating temperatures. Remember, too high temperatures equals higher running costs and low efficiency. Use the arrows to navigate temperatures. Press OK to confirm. Use the down arrow to your setback temperature. Follow the same process as heating on temperature for your setback process. Remember, you only want a 2 to 3 degree difference between heating on and setback temperatures. Press the back arrow. Use the up arrows to navigate to time program. Press OK. Use the up and down arrow to select which day to edit. Press OK. Press OK to select your on time. Press OK again. Alter the time with the up and down arrows and press OK to confirm. Select heating or setback with your down arrow and select OK again. Press the back arrow. Press the down arrow to the next time setting. Press OK and edit the time for your setback period. You can alter in the same way as you did in your heating temperature. Press back and scroll down to Copy Day. Press OK and select the days you wish to copy this time program to by using the OK button and down arrow. Continue pressing down until you see Apply and then press OK. Use the back arrow until you get back to the main screen. These time programs are now set. It's important to allow time to adapt to the schedule and reach the set temperatures. And that's it! Feel free to come back to this video when you need to refresh yourself on how to use the Compress 5800 heat pump controls.